If the picture of the sleek compact sedan above is not instantly recognizable, it is because it is the reinvention of Kia's entry-level sedan with a new name and a new look. The 2025 Kia K4 is the successor to the Kia Forte, but it also fills in as the most affordable vehicle in the lineup after Kia discontinued the subcompact Rio in 2023. Kia is getting ready to start building production models in Mexico, and the K4 will go on sale in the third quarter. It will be offered as a swoopy sedan initially. But we saw a hatchback version this year at the 2024 New York Auto Show, and fully expect it to be added to the lineup. It might not happen until the 2026 model year, we are told. The emphasis was to get the sedan, a more popular body style globally, out the door first, says Young Kim, Kia Senior Product Strategy Manager. For starters, the K4 is bigger than the outgoing Forte, and Kia says it will be the biggest kit in its class. It switches to the K3 platform, adds multi-link suspension to the top trims, and its new body is as wide as some mid-size sedans. There is also plenty of headroom and more legroom in the second row. The design is eye-catching with its vertical headlights pushed to the corners and fastback roofline. There are 5 trim levels: LX, LXS, GT Line, GT Line Turbo, and a new addition, the X, which comes with a cool slate green interior. Other interior colors include two-tone black and white, medium gray, and a red/black combo similar to that in the Kia K5. There are 8 exterior colors and 5 wheel choices, a couple of 16-inchers, 17-inch, and 2 18-inch options, including a glossy black for the GT Line Turbo. The powertrains carry over from the Forte. The base engine is a 2.0-liter Atkinson 4-cylinder engine mated to a CVT. It puts out 147 horsepower and 132 pounds-to-foot of torque. The EPA fuel economy ratings have not been released, but executives expect similar results to the Forte, even though the K4 is larger. The Forte LX was rated at 30 miles per gallon in the city, 41 on the highway, for a combined 34 miles per gallon. Buyers can still upgrade to the 1.6-liter Turbo 4 that brings the performance to 190 horsepower and 195 pounds-to-foot, which is a drop from 201 pounds-to-foot in the Forte. It comes with an 8-speed automatic transmission. The manual transmission in the Forte does not carry over to the K4. Kia did not consider adding a hybrid to the K4 lineup. But there is an all-electric EV3 compact crossover in the works, and it will be sold in the US, but not before 2026. Executives would not say if this will be the last generation for the gas-powered K4. In addition to the 12.3-inch driver display, the center infotainment screen has grown to 12.3 inches. It used to be that entry-level vehicles had to settle for 7 or 8-inch screens. The Forte had an 8-inch screen, but this piece of real estate has become a competitive battleground, and automakers have recognized its importance to young buyers. There is wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. In a first for Kia, the K4 introduces an AI voice assistant that uses natural language queries instead of relying on keywords. It is smarter, so it remembers context for follow-up questions and has more local and trip information, as well as providing an owner's manual for vehicle questions. The rotatable cup holders are borrowed from the Kia EV9 3-row electric SUV. They can hold a 32-ounce beverage in place, or retract the claws for more usable storage space for wallets, sunglasses, and snacks. There are 4 USB outlets and an optional wireless charger. Pricing will be announced closer to the on-sale date. We expect it to start above the Forte's $21,145 starting price. The K4 continues the Kia tradition of providing a lot of features and value for a competitive price.